In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Apple Wallet on iPhone 14. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to configure your Apple Wallet on your iPhone 14. The Apple Wallet is a convenient digital wallet that is going to store your credit or debit cards, alongside loyalty cards, transit passes, and more. I'm gonna give you a basic overview on how to set it up on your iPhone 14 or any other model that you have. So first, open the wallet application. The wallet app is going to be on your home screen by default, and all that you have to do is tap to open it. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you will find the plus button to initiate the process of adding a new card. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on credit or debit cards, but like I mentioned, you have plenty of other options like loyalty cards, transit cards, identification cards, and you can even add stuff like boarding passes. So all that you have to do once you tap any of these options, primarily credit or debit cards, is to follow the instructions on screen. Usually, you will have to confirm all of the information and verify your details. So you can either use your camera to scan the card physically, or alternatively manually enter the details, such as the cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you go through this whole process and you choose from any of the available verification methods, the card should be attached to your Apple Wallet. Now, the primary function of Apple Wallet, besides storing these cards, is going to be used for payments. So when you proceed to check out on any online store or retailer and you choose the option to pay with Apple Pay on services such as the App Store, or whenever you see it available on checkout, you will be able to authenticate that purchase with one of the cards attributed on your wallet. You can use Face ID or enter your passcode to verify your identity, confirm the payment, and you will be good to go. If you want to do contactless payments in store, you simply have to double click the side button to activate the Apple Wallet. It's going to display your default card, and now you can physically place your iPhone near the card reader or the payment terminal, and you will feel a gentle vibration and hear a chime when the payment is complete. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Wallet on iPhone 14. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.